Yeah, you guys can pay for that. I have, you could call me. There's multiple options to come in here.
We're not going to door nonstop.
Yeah,
I'm just in my room.
Okay.
Like, I was literally just in my room.
Give you notice, we're just here to tell the damage, and then we'll be out in about a minute, okay?
Okay, I've also looked up. Only he's needed here. None of you are. This is a landlord-tenant
We're
board.
going to stand by for safety. because
Awesome.
there's some issues, so other than that, we'll be out in about a minute, okay?
Awesome. I've called you guys and tried to press him with harassment. I don't know how many times for him calling me names, pushing my mother.
Okay.
I have video surveillance of it and everything else.
Joe, I don't know
He's
what
able to
that is.
call you guys and have you guys come down here on a click of a
For today, we're
any
just here to do some
second.
damage.
I've called you guys, tried to press charges, everything else, and nothing's been done. He's harassed the absolute crap out of me.
One thing at a time.
I am so sick of it. There's like 6 of you here. He didn't even knock on my door. I had absolutely no idea this was going to happen till one day before. He's done this, I don't know how many times. Almost every month I have to deal with some sort of crap like this. And always doing it. Look at the big smile on his face right now. Look at the smile on his
Calm
face.
down. We're not here to yell.
I've lived here 10 years, and he's tried to get me kicked out for fucking 5 years, just trying to increase rent. Just trying to increase rent.
So we're here just to keep the peace today.
So you break the lock off my fucking door? Why didn't you call or something? I have been in my room just sitting there. I didn't hear anything. All I had was the TV on. I have hard of hearing, and all I heard was smash, smash, smash on my door. Somebody's paying for that.
Well, it's their property. So.
Yeah.
No, that's my property. I paid for this.
Okay. Well, we're here to take photos of the damage.
Awesome. Then he can come in and all you guys can get out, please.
We're staying with him because
That's fine. You're not allowed on my property without a warrant. Get out of my door. I know what my rights
Joe?
are and I'm sick of this stuff.
Joe, he has authority to be in here right now. He's also worried for safety, and you're also very agitated.
Because-
so under existing
listen,
circumstances, we are.
I am agitated because you ripped my door down. He didn't call me or nothing, and there's absolutely no reason for this. I have lived here 10 years and paid my rent every single time. All he's trying to do is get me kicked out for more rent money because I only pay $800 to live here. That's it.
Okay.
That's all there is to it. He's tried for 5 years to get me kicked out of here so he can get more rent money because he gave the place to me for $800. That's all there is to it, guys. Can you have a little compassion from my side?
I do, 100%. 100%. Again, we're going to try to make this as least painful possible.
Oh, well,
Okay?
it's too late for that now.
Okay. Phone there?
Come do another maintenance check even though you've never fixed anything. I've asked for screens for 8 years on my
We
windows.
can talk about this. Let's just make this quick.
I don't want to talk about it. Get the maintenance thing over with and get the fuck out of my place.
We're just here to take photos. And
Awesome. Do your shit. Where's the fucking photos? He's just looking around. Take some fucking pictures, asshole.
Joe.
I know I'm allowed to say whatever I want. I already talked to the
why don't
police
you go
just
sit-
last night.
why don't you
I don't
sit-
have to. I'm allowed to do whatever I want in my own place.
I'm recommending-
Take your fucking pictures, douchebag. Hurry the fuck up, you piece of shit, cocksucking loser.
No, there's no need for that.
I'm allowed to.
You're
I
not
just
allowed-
called the
you're not
police
allowed-
yesterday.
you're
Yeah,
not
I
allowed
am.
to-
I can call him whatever the fuck
You
I
can't-
want.
You're yelling, you're getting agitated.
So what? It's my place. I'll yell at my place if I fucking want
You're
to.
just disturbing others and-
It's my place. I know my rights.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't.
Well, I know I'm allowed to, so go ahead. Take me to jail for yelling in my own place.
I'd rather you just be calm in your bedroom, man, and let's make this easy.
I don't have to. He hasn't fixed anything in like
Okay.
10 years,
You're
buddy.
not walking over to him.
I'm not. Okay, I'm not. I'm
You're
sorry.
very agitated right now.
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to walk over to him. That air conditioning thing right there, there's absolutely nothing in it. That's where all the cold air comes from. The place is a fucking piece of shit. The guy's an absolute scumlord. And all you're doing is fucking sticking up for him?
We're just-
Parade the
we
rich,
just don't want you guys
sacrifice the
fighting,
poor.
right? Joe, we just-
Everything's for the rich, fuck the poor. All you guys do is hand out fucking parking tickets and fucking driving tickets. Look at Peterborough. Look at the state of the fucking city. Look at the state of how you guys get talked to. You know why that is? Look at the fucking stuff that's going on in this town. It's fucked.
We'll just agree with you there.
I know I'm allowed to watch him. Please, this is
You
my
watch
place.
them. Just
I'm not
watch
going to
them.
do anything. You done taking another stupid ass maintenance check where you don't fucking fix absolutely anything? Fucking no, nothing. There is a reason for it. He's an absolute. I've never seen a bigger piece of scum in my fucking life.
Joe, it's just not looking good on you screaming.
I don't give a fuck. It doesn't matter anymore. I've gone to landlord-tenant board about 20 fucking times. I've talked to you guys at least 10. Nothing fucking matters. He's rich. He can do whatever the fuck he wants. Absolute piece of shit. Cocksucking loser. Fuck face.
There's no need for that, man.
I'm allowed to. I just talked to the police yesterday. I can say whatever the fuck I want.
But you can't be screaming at people.
Yeah, I can. It's my place. Yes, I can. Why don't you look at the fucking laws? I'm allowed to. I know I'm allowed
You're
to.
not allowed to scream.
Yes, I am. I can do whatever the fuck I want in my own place, especially in the middle of the day. I could be even louder than this if I wanted to. I could turn my fucking TV on at full volume if I fucking wanted to in the middle of the day. Stop telling me what I can do in my own place and protecting the rich and have some compassion for what the fuck's going
I'm
on.
trying to make things calm here. I don't want people fighting.
Calm, you guys ripped my fucking door down.
They didn't rip your door down. They pulled up.
I was sitting in my fucking room. You could have called multiple
They've
things.
been pounding on the door nonstop. What are you doing?
I'm shutting the door and making sure there's nobody. Well, I don't want, man,
You're not going in there.
I'm allowed to watch him. Buddy, it's my place
You're
too.
getting really agitated. Right?
Listen,
Stop.
okay, listen. All my shit's in there.
Okay. I get it. You need to calm down, man.
You need to
Okay?
take a
We
deep
don't
breath.
want. I get it. It's rough.
We're
I
not
get
here to
it.
get you in trouble.
Okay. Just take
I
a breath,
will
make
calm
sure,
down.
okay?
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
Thank you.
Listen, can I please look in there? It's my property too. He
How
has
about
no
this?
right
How
to
about
be
this?
in there without
Joe,
me
I'll
watching.
make the idea. Let me step in first, and then you can step in after me.
Fine,
okay?
that's fine.
Does that work?
Yes.
All right.
Let me step out.
You want to step out there? Okay. You can go
Can
in.
I please watch him go into my places?
Yes. How about we'll go together? Okay.
That's
Is that
perfectly
good?
fine.
All
I'm
right.
not going to cause anything, guys. I'm just sick
know.
of this shit. I've been dealing with this for 8 fucking years.
Okay. I get it.
And he hasn't fixed anything. Why is he doing all these maintenance checks if he doesn't fucking fix anything? Does that make any sense to you? Does that make any sense to you?
Well, right now, I think it's because
Does
of the
it?
concern that there might be some significant damage, right?
What concern? He's been in here
I don't-
fucking 20 times and hasn't fixed anything. If he's that concerned, I'm pretty sure he fixed some shit. He, like I said, he's done fucking like 20 of these, buddy. Not one thing's been fixed. I had to beg for my washer. My parents had to fucking come in here and almost charge him and shit because he wouldn't fix my washer for like 4 years.
No, I hear you, man.
You hear me, but you're so upset how I'm upset. Do I not have a right to be upset?
You know what? You have every right to be upset. I just don't want things.
I've gone to landlord-tenant board. I've talked to you guys. I've been dealing with this for 8 friggin' years. And this is how it always turns out. He comes here with the fucking cops, get whatever he wants done, and I have to just deal with this shit. How is that fair at all?
No, I get your frustration, man. I just rather you talk to me, right? I don't want things to get agitated.
How would you feel if somebody busted your
You know
door down and just came in your place?
I'd
Would
be
you not
upset.
be agitated?
I understand why you're upset, but I'd rather you work with us, right? Like if you talk to me, I can hear you out. We can have a conversation.
But
I
I've
get your
tried to
frustration.
talk to you guys. I don't know how many times.
I wasn't
and
there,
this is
though.
how things always turn out. He shouldn't. I'm not trying to do anything.
that's
I
fine.
just want to watch him.
Yeah, that's fine. But Joe, you have to remember we weren't there, okay? So you can talk to us about everything.
But look, I know,
Like,
but
I don't
that's
know,
the
right?
thing,
I
guys.
wasn't there.
I understand that part. I do, and like I can't stress enough. I'm not trying to be agitated or anything. But he's come in here and done these maintenance checks over 20 times. Not one thing has been fixed. It's harassment. It's harassment. How is this not harassment? Look on my phone. I have told him a million times not to.
What's up, everybody? It's Danny from the Constitution State here today. Today's video comes from Joe Pearson. There was no information with this video at all, not even a title, nothing. Says it's in Peterborough, which I think is in New Hampshire, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not going to put the wrong police department in here. If anybody knows for sure, let me know and I'll put it in the description after. This is another civil matter that the police seem to think they can handle. They seem to think they can show up and tell this guy they're going in his house because his landlord needs to come in and look at things. No, that's not how it works. If they don't have a warrant, they don't get to come in. They have no right to barge in there. And at what point does it become harassment? If the guy is coming and doing this monthly and not fixing anything. They keep telling him how mad he is because they're in his apartment when he doesn't want them there. Then they're trying to tell him what he can and can't say. And then they're trying to tell him that he can't go watch this guy in his apartment, which if I was in a dispute with my landlord and we didn't like each other, I definitely wouldn't want him looking around my place either without me in there. They were trying to act like they could relate to why this guy was aggravated, or they just wanted to get it over with. He was being excessive. Clearly, they don't understand what it's like to have armed thugs break into your house and try and tell you what you can and can't do. He had every right to be upset. And I don't see why they brought so many cops. And then they were going to say, oh, we knew he was going to be unruly. He wasn't even unruly. He just expressed himself and how he felt about the situation. There's nothing wrong with that. He wasn't violent. He didn't do anything wrong. They push him around his own house and tell him what he can and can't look at, what he can and can't do, the volume he can do it at. I think everybody would be pissed. But what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this breaking and entering? Like, what did they have to break the door down for? They clearly weren't there knocking forever like they claimed, or as loudly as they claimed if he didn't hear them. Don't have a warrant. Doesn't matter if it's a maintenance check or not. That doesn't mean they could just break the door down. That's how police departments get sued.
But go check his page out and go show him some love. I'll see you guys on the next one.